Hi guys, Brendan from Brendan Talk Talk. Today I'll unbox and review for you a Skyvik Signi Pro 2-in-1 wide plus macro clip-on mobile camera lens kit for iPhone, Samsung and other smartphones. Please know that this is not compatible with Oneplus 8 Pro and Poco X2. Signi 2-in-1 lens kit includes 0.45x wide-angle lens plus 15x macro lens. PureView 0.45 wide-angle lens captures 45% more view without vignetting. Laser carved convex lens is perfect for both beginners and pro photographers. SuperMax 15x macro lens now captures macros while keeping more object area in the image. SIGNI Lens is carved from aluminium alloy and coated glass to reduce reflections and light flares. Detachable clip with soft rubber ensures your device is free from scratches. Now let's get to the unboxing. So let's unbox the Signi Pro 2-in-1 lens kit now. It comes in this box. The box looks quite good. Quite a nice box. Wow, this is such a good quality rubber box. It's got some advertisement about their other products and all. Leave it in. So let's open this. The zipper also is quite a good quality zipper. Nice lint free cloth to clean the lens. This is the clip. This is the two lenses. It's a very high quality lens, I must say. So this is the lens from close up. It clips, it screws onto this clip. Now this is the wide angle lens. Uh, it will go on to the phone like this. If I show my camera, so this is the wide angle lens. I will take some pictures and share with you. So now let's try the macro. Again the lens goes here. and but I'll take some other pictures to show you how the results are. And my first impression is that it's a very high quality lens. Over the years, I have used plenty of clip-ons and even otherwise lenses which are on the covers of phones. But out of all those, I think this is one of the best that I have seen. And I'll take some pictures and later on connect them to my or put them in the video, and we'll see how the pictures come out. This is the normal camera view from my iPhone 11. This is the wide angle. You see there is no vignetting and definitely the angle is wider. This is very clear, a close-up and a macro. This is even clearer. The image is very sharp. Again, same thing here. The Now this is exquisite. The eye doctors will be really thrilled. For the link to the product, you can go down to the description. I hope the review was helpful. If you did find it helpful, please let me know by clicking on the like button. Please do subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any new videos that I upload. Thanks so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Adios.